Hello, dear Goenkans. I hope everybody is fine. Dear kids, before the examinations, we were doing this chapter that is geometry, and let me recapitulate it a bit. That geometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of the things, and we deal with shapes and sizes of the things, and shapes may be irregular or irregular, and we discussed about circle and its various components. Right, let me recapitulate a bit of it. That radius, what radius is, what diameter is. As all of you know, a circle has a center, that is the middle point in within the circle, which is equidistant from all the points of the boundary. This outline or boundary is called circumference of the circle. The distance from the center to the radius to the boundary is called radius, and the line segment passing through the center of this circle, whose endpoints lie on the boundary, is called diameter. So these were some of the terms like circumference, the boundary of the circle; center, the midpoint within the circle; radius, the distance from center to the boundary; and diameter, the line segment which divides the circle into two equal halves. These were the definitions that we have gone through before this. And we were done with all the exercises, and we were doing the mixed bag, and we have completed up to question number 4. Now today we are going through question number 5. This question number 5 is based on the estimation, means approximation. Estimation means approximation. Now you will say, ma'am, what this approximation is? Approximation means लगभग. जब हम किसी चीज़ का लगभग बोलते हैं, मे दैट हम गेसिंग करते हैं, हम गेस करते हैं ये चीज़ कितनी लंबी होगी, ये चीज़ कितनी बड़ी होगी, व्हाट विल बी द अप्रॉक्सीमेट हाइट, वो फिर जो हम अप्रॉक्सीमेशन करते हैं दैट इज़ नॉट एक्यूरेट बट इट इज़ नियर टू द एक्यूरेट, that is called estimation. Like here you have been given the line segment, and you have to say, you have to estimate what could be the length, what would be the length of the this line segment, and then you have to check using scale. You have to check how much is your estimation correct, how good it was, how much correct you were. Estimate means to find out the value that is close to the correct answer. Say for example, the line segment here, I think this line segment is 4 centimeters long. So my estimation is 4 centimeter. Then you will make use of scale and check how much is this, and that you will write in this measure. Okay, so approximately, if I say that this line segment is, maybe this line segment is 3.5 centimeter, so whatever approximately I feel, I have to write it here, and say it's 3.5 centimeter, then you have to measure it exactly through scale, and that exact measurement is to be written here. Okay, similarly, part B, here you have the line segment, you just have to approximate the length, and then using scale you have to measure the actual length. This was question number 5. And then we have next question, draw the line segments of the following lengths. For this you have to make use of, and you have to do this question on notebook. Question number 6, 8 and 9 is to be done on notebook, on your fair copy. You will mention today's date, and then you will put this heading as mixed bag, and you will write to this question 6, 8 and 9 on your fair notebook. So question number 6, you can see you have to make use of scale to draw the line segment. Put a scale on your notebook, starting from 0, drag a line segment up to 8 centimeters and name it A and B. Name it A and B. Okay, next is 7 is to 1 by 2, B part. It means 1 by 2 means half, it means 0.5. That means if you have to there it's written 7 is to 1 by 2, that means you have to draw 7.5 centimeters long line segment, and you may name it P and Q. As all of you know, naming, labeling is done using English alphabetical letters. Then question number 7 is again book work. Here you have been given the figure. This is a circle, and there are certain components, and you have to name each of them. What is the center here? Of course it's O. So you will write O on your book. Then diameter, the CD is the diameter, so write CD here. Radius is the distance from center to the boundary, that is OA. It's written here. Then what is line segment CD? It is the diameter. What is line segment OD? It is the radius. What is line segment OA? It is again radius. The length around the circle, that is called its circumference. And all of you know a circle can have more than one radii. Then we have question number 8. Before moving to question number 8 and 9, let me recapitulate the relation between radius and diameter. As all of you know, radius is half of diameter, or in other words, you can say diameter is twice radius. So whenever you have been given radius, you can find out diameter. If you have been given diameter, you can find out radius. Either you have to multiply or you have to divide. That depends which one is to be found. For example, here you have been given the question, find the radius of circles with the following radii. Radii is given and you have to find the diameter is given and you have to find out the radii. Diameter is 16 centimeters, and of course radius will be obtained by dividing diameter by 2, that is 8 centimeters. You have to mind the units. Mind the units means whatever unit is written here, same unit should be written in the answer. And similar process will be followed in other parts. Then we have question number 9. Here radius has been given and diameter is to be found, and of course that will be found by the relation diameter is equal to twice radii. That means whatever radius you have been given, you have to multiply it by 2. Say in part A, you will multiply 7 by 2 and you will get the radius diameter as 14 centimeters. This was all from this class. Thank you very much. Al-Habib.